What do you mean by Trividha Dukha? What are the three types of the diseases mentioned by Sushruta? This is the topic of discussion of this particular video. Dear community members, press the like button and spread this particular video to one true Nidana learner or several true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information at the right time for the right purpose. When you think about the term Trividha Dukha, refers to the three types of the diseases as such. So the Dukha refers to discomfort, but here contextually that has to be taken as the diseases. So Trividha Dukha in total refers to three types of the diseases. The description of this particular three types of the diseases mentioned in Sushruta Samhita, that is Prag Abhihitam Tad Dukha Sanyoga Vyadhayah Taccha Dukkam Trividham Adhyatmikam Adhibhautikam Adhidaivikam iti Tatu tu Saptavidham Vyadhau Upanipatate ते पुनः सप्तविधा व्याधयः तद्यथा आदिबलप्रवृत्ताः जन्मबलप्रवृत्ताः दोषबलप्रवृत्ताः सङ्घातबलप्रवृत्ताः कालबलप्रवृत्ताः दैवबलप्रवृत्ताः स्वभावबलप्रवृत्ता इति Sushruta Sutrasthana 24th chapter. So the three types of the diseases are being mentioned: Adhyatmika, Adhibhautika and Adhidaivika. So this particular three types of the disease are further sub-classified into 7 different subtypes of the diseases: Adibala Pravritta Vikara, Janma Bala Pravritta Vikara, Dosha Bala Pravritta Vikara, Sanghata Bala Pravritta Vikara, Kala Bala Pravritta Vikara, Daiva Bala Pravritta Vikara, and Swabhava Bala Pravritta Vikara. When you think about the description, the Dalhana says, Atma Shabdena Samanaskam Shariram Uchyate. So here, the term Atma refers to the Sharira along with the Manas. In the sense, when there may be the possible disturbances in terms of the either Vata, Pitta and Kapha, which are considered to be the Sharirika dosha, and Rajas and Tamas, which are considered to be the Manasika dosha. Whenever there is the involvement of the Atma, that is what we can say, the Sharira as well as Manas, or Sharira or Manas, then we are going to say the person is suffering from Adhyatmika Vikara. Whereas Bhutani Praninaha, in the sense Bhuteshu Adhikritya Yad Vartate Tad Adhibhautikam, in the sense any kind of the wild animals or some kinds of the weapons, etc. If a person is afflicted with the diseases, such kind of the diseases, they are being termed as Adhibhautika. Whereas Deva, Sura, Surayonayascha, Deveshu Adhikriti Yadvartitika Adhidaivikam. When the person is not having the control over the manifestation of the diseases, so that means they are considered to be the beyond one's control. Such kind of disease, they are being termed as Adhidaivika Vikara. So that is the Tad Eva Trividham Dukkham Vedat Antarahetubihi Bahu Prakara Bhute Vyadhau Samavayetidi Tadityadi Taditi Trividham Dukkham. So these are the three types of the diseases. So in the sense, whenever the Sharira and Manas of an individual self is being afflicted, then we are going to say it could be Adhyatmika Vikara. When some kind of the weapons or the wild animals which are being surrounded in an environment that is are responsible for the manifestation of the diseases in an individual, such kind of the diseases are being categorized under Adhibhautika Vikara. And when the individual is not having control over the manifestation of the diseases in the self, such kind of the diseases, they are being termed as Adhidaivika Vikara. They are being further sub-classified into the Adi Bala Pravritta Vikara, Janma Bala Pravritta Vikara and Dosha Bala Pravritta Vikara. All these are categorized under Adhyatmika Vikara, whereas the Sanghata Bala Pravritta Vikara, that is being categorized under Adhibhautika Vikara, whereas Kala Bala Pravritta Vikara, Daiva Bala Pravritta Vikara, and Swabhav Bala Pravritta Vikara, they are being categorized under Adhidaivika Vikara. When you think about this term, Bala refers to the dominance of the cause or the strength of the cause of the disease as such. Whereas Pravritta in the sense, so that is responsible for the vikara or the disease manifestation in the body. In other words, the term Adibala Pravritta Vikara refers to the disease manifestation which occurs because of the cause present before the formation of a fetus. In the sense, the cause is present in the either in the male gamete or female gamete, or the cause may be present in the shukra or shonita. The cause may be present in the sperm or ovum. Such kind of the diseases, they are being categorized under Adibala Pravritta Vikara. Whereas the Janma Bala Pravritta Vikara in the sense where the union of shukra and shonita or sperm or ovum has taken place, but here the diseases are manifested due to the maldevelopment of the fetus. They are being considered to be Janma Bala Pravritta Vikara. Whereas the Dosha Bala Pravritta Vikara refers to where the diseases are being manifested after the formation of Garbha, after the formation of the, what do you say, that the Janma or the birth of a child, wherein the diseases are being manifested because of the imbalance is happening in the body after the birth as such. Whereas Sanghata Palabrutta Vikara in the sense where the cause of the disease is not on the self, they are on the surroundings. Maybe the weapons or maybe the wild animals, etc. Scorpion sting or snake bite, etc. etc. Weapons in the sense there may be the warfare, gun injuries, or the surgical injuries, etc. They are being considered under Adhibhautika Vikara. Whereas the Adhidaivika Vikara, wherein the Kala Bala Pravritta Vikara refers to the diseases which are being manifested because of the cause of the disease is present in the time as such, because of the abnormal season or because of the abnormal year as such, in the sense the time period that may be the abnormal as such, wherein Daiva Balaprata Vikara, where the time is also there, but the control over this particular the cause is basically supra human power as such. Whereas Swabhavala Pravritti Vikara in the sense where the diseases are being manifested in an individual naturally. So by each and every individual, for example, the what do you say that the appetite or thirst, etc. etc. In the sense, the term the bala, that is the mainly related to the dominance of the cause as such in the whole the human development as such. So this has to be mentioned in the same way only, same order only. Adi Bala Pravritta Vikara, Janma Bala Pravritta Vikara, Dosha Bala Pravritta Vikara, Sanghata Bala Pravritta Vikara, Kala Bala Pravritta Vikara, Daiva Bala Pravritta Vikara, and Swabhava Bala Pravritta Vikara. To sum up, Sushruta has mentioned several classifications of the disease. Among them, the three types of the diseases, they are being very, very important. They are Adhyatmika Vikara, Adhibhautika Vikara, and Adhidaivika Vikara, wherein the Adhyatmika Vikara, the Sharirika dosha or Manasika dosha may be afflicted in an individual. In case of the Adhibhautika Vikara, where the cause of the disease is considered to be related to the environment as such, maybe the animals or maybe the weapons, etc. And Adhidaivika Vikara, wherein the diseases are being manifested because of the beyond one's control as such. They are sub-classified into 7 categories. They are Adi Bala Pravritta Vikara, Janma Bala Pravritta Vikara, Dosha Bala Pravurta Vikara, Sanghata Bala Pravurta Vikara, Kala Bala Pravurta Vikara, Daiva Bala Pravurta Vikara, and Swabhava Bala Pravurta Vikara. Dear community members, what are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information at the right time for the right purpose. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.